What social media platform does your marketing portfolio include? I'm sure you have Facebook, Instagram in there, maybe Snapchat and LinkedIn depending on what you are promoting. But where's TikTok? Yes, you heard me right. And no, don't appear shocked. TikTok is the next big thing. Considering it have over 100 million active monthly users, you'd be crazy to discard it entirely. Plus, 38% of users are 30, so you have a wide demographic available to suit your needs. So why you should use this for your business? Number 1, low competition. Not many businesses have figured out how to incorporate TikTok, so this presents a massive opportunity for you to be ahead of the game. Number 2, exponential growth. Let the supercharged TikTok algorithm do your work for you. If you are able to deliver fun content and use the right hashtag, you might not even need to spend money to promote the videos, since it will go viral for you. Number 3, partnership possibilities. TikTok influencers are the next big thing, gaining millions of views in their short videos with loyal audience awaiting their next move. Get the right partners and watch your brands grow organically. So, it's easy, creative, diverse, flexible, adaptable, dynamic, and so much more. It's 2022. If you don't get started now, you might end up at the end of the line. Watch my videos to learn more about digital marketing.